Welcome to LEDAM project. LEDAM is a T-shaped professional education program with the most updated and innovative contents, specifically designed for professionals employed in the manufacturing sector by high-level researchers coming from universities and research institutions in Europe. The automation and digitalization revolution taking place today represents a great challenge for the manufacturing sector and its ability to rapidly and effectively update competencies and introduce digital technologies towards more productive and eco-efficient manufacturing processes. LEDAM is designed to meet different training needs within manufacturing companies, reducing intergenerational barriers of knowledge and skills. The training program provides opportunities for professionals to upskill and reskill. Upskilling, meaning accelerating the process of aligning skills and improve young professionals' growth and professional development. Reskilling, by integrating senior professional skills with the most recent technologies. Through its modular structure, LEDAM allows to reconcile training with work. It does so through video crash courses of 15 minutes each, made available within thematic learning paths on the topics of digitalization and automation of manufacturing processes, artificial intelligence and virtual and augmented reality, eco-design, and innovation and entrepreneurship. 5 additional storylines that are learning paths of about 3 hours each enable to have a look at how these theoretical competencies can be practically applied in the field, mixing specialized theoretical contents with examples and case studies co-designed with LEDAM partner companies.